Just cruising on the highway, minding my own business. Checking my mirrors, and I notice a car coming in pretty fast. I thought he was going to pass me, but instead he slowed down to match my speed, signaling to that he wants to race me. I figured he was probably joking, so I didn't go too fast. And if he wasn't joking, then he got a huge wake-up call because I barely turned my throttle. Anyway, keep in mind I just let loose for a second on a very clear highway road. Absolutely no one was in front of me. Just thought I'd make a random stranger's day.